First, get a bowl and pour 200 grams of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 50 grams of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast and salt. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, 400 grams of flour, and mix it all up. Close the lid and leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take out the dough and cut them into several pieces. Roll them all out. Get some melted butter and spread them on the dough. After spreading the butter, roll them. Cut it in the middle and braid them. And make a flower shape. Spread the egg yolk on the buns. Put them in the oven for 15-20 minutes. Remember the last video where we made baklava and we made syrup? If you haven't watched that, watch it. We pour the syrup onto the buns. After that, they're ready. Like and subscribe, it's completely free and you can change your mind later, but don't do that.